List, how it contains different data types as well as some other new terms. List is something that can store different data types. It can be integer, float, characters as well as string. List. Now I am inserting different data types in it. 2 as an integer. We will take some float value as well. 5.6 as well some string. Here these values are inserted, are stored in list. So we will use this equal to symbol. If you print these, all the elements of the list will be printed. Now if you want to know the number of elements stored in the list, you can use len. Print len of the list. This helps in printing all the length, the number of elements present in the list. Now, if we run the program, here 3 elements are stored in the list. If you want to add any new element to the list, you can use the append. Append is something that can used to add a new element to the list. List dot append space. I want to add 65 to it. Now print the new list. Now run the program. Here you can see to the already existing list, new element that is 65 has been added. We have added this new element 65 by using append. Then you can see straightly 65 is added as the last element. And here in this, the corresponding elements have their placement as 0th place, 1th place, 2nd as well 3rd. Now, if I want to add a new element in a particular place, a 65 as a 2nd place, it's 2, then I can use insert. List dot insert. And I want to add some 30 in the place of 2, 30. And this 30 will be added at the 2nd place in the list. Now print the new list. Now you can see here 30 has been added as the 2nd one. Here 2 occupies the 0th, 5.6 occupies the 1st, and the 30 occupies as the 2nd. Here append insert is used to add a particular element in a particular place. Now we will be knowing about matrix. We already know matrix in the mathematics. It is simply a collection of elements in the form of rows and columns. Let us call matrix A. We can give its value 1, 2, 3. And another row comes in 4, 8, 5. Any number simply arranged in the form of columns and rows. Here I am taking a square matrix of order 3, 5, 0, 9. Here a matrix has been given. Now each element in the matrix is given its own placement. For example, here 1 is given as the element of 0th row and the 0th column. Here rows and columns number does not start from 1, it starts from 0. For instance, if you take this 9, it is the element placed in the 2nd row and the 2nd column. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. respective places. Now if I want to print this 0 as my input, I should write print matrix. I want this 0 as my input. Where this 0 has been situated in the sense 0, 1, 2. Second row as well.
SMS.
First column.